Welcome to Placing a Demo Trade. This session is designed to guide you step by step through placing your first trade using a demo trading account. Demo accounts are essential tools for beginners, providing a risk-free environment to practice, experiment, and refine trading strategies without using real money. In this session, we'll cover navigating a demo trading platform, understanding different types of orders, placing a trade with stop-loss and take-profit orders, monitoring and managing your trade, reviewing and analyzing trade outcomes. By the end, you'll feel more comfortable executing trades and managing them like a pro. Let's get started. Navigating the demo trading platform, logging in and getting familiar. Open your demo trading platform. Take a moment to explore the dashboard, watch lists, list of tradable assets, charts, real-time price data for analysis, order panel, where trades are placed, choosing an asset to trade. Select an asset you're interested in. Example, let's choose E or USD for this walkthrough. Look at the chart and apply basic indicators to analyze the asset's performance. Identify trade opportunities. Use support and resistance levels or trends to determine potential entry points. Example, if Bitcoin shows support at $40,000, consider placing a buy order near that level. Understanding types of orders. Market order definition. Executes immediately at the current market price. When to use. If you want to enter a trade quickly without waiting for a specific price. Example, buying Apple stock at $180